Hi friends, welcome to another shopping haul video. In this video I went to Target and I found some goodies. So I'm going to start over here from the Target dollar spot. I found some floral tape. They are only $1 each. I got the dark green and the light green, just depending on what kind of craft I want to do. And for $1 each, I think that it is just a steal and I do not have to worry about how many of these I have right now. I think having the variety of the dark and the light is great. And they were just $1 each from the Target dollar spot. And I also found this at the Target dollar spot. I was with my daughter Jaden and she saw this and really loved it. So I thought it'd be really cute for her nightstand. It was only $3. It's heavy duty and it has pads on the bottom. So I feel like it's higher quality than they have made in the past. But it's only $3 and it's just really pretty and cute. And she's very happy with it. And this is like the print on it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then I saw this. This was a little expensive for what it is. It's $5, but I thought it was super duper cute. And I think I'm going to put it in my kitchen on a shelf. It's just so pretty and so springy. They had other styles too, but this one I just fell in love with. It's just super duper cute. It reminds me of the plant or the fake plant I have on my piano. And then this is new that I've seen there. These baskets, they had them in like a blush pink, a gray, and a white. I got a 3-pack of the smaller bins of the pink that were $2 each, and then I got two 2-packs of the larger gray bins and they were $2 each as well, so $6 total. And I think they would be great for organizing in drawers. And next I got this liquid plumber. This is supposed to be like the best one of its brand. It was only $3 something, but Riley has been putting some things down the sink and it didn't exactly clear it up. So I might just go to Mr. Plumber, which is like 98 cents at Walmart, because I know that stuff works really well. So, or I just might have to have my husband clear out the sink pipe and ugh. Poor guy. All right, and then I also got this Method all-purpose spray in clementine. I love the citrusy smells. I think it just brightens up the area and it just reminds me of spring and summer. And then I got this Lysol sanitizing wash. I normally get this in the original one, but I got the free and clear just because I have super sensitive skin and I already add scents to my laundry as well, so I don't need to have any extra. This was $5.99, I believe, and you get quite a bit of it. It's not the largest container, but they also have another scented kind as well. But again, I wanted just to get the free and clear, and I use this whenever I buy pre-owned clothing from pre-owned clothing stores. I feel like it's just necessary, and also towels and whatnot. All right, and then I got this Revlon, oh my gosh, Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. This thing is fan-freaking-tastic. I absolutely love it. It was $59.99. They also have it in black and pink. You will see a lot of YouTube videos with it being black and pink. People are trying it out. If you'd like to see me do a video of me trying this out for you guys, I'd be more than happy to. I love the teal and black, of course. I absolutely love teal. It's very pretty and I know for a fact it works really well. So if you guys would like to see a video on it, just let me know in the comment section. And then I got this eyeshadow palette. I've been looking at it for a long time. It is L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted. It is scented. It smells really good. I think it's supposed to be like a dupe of the Too Faced Peach palette, which is more expensive, but this was $11.99 and I tried this out and the shades are so nice. They're pigmented and they don't flake all over the place, and it does smell nice, but it's not a heavy scent. So if you're worried about that, it's not a heavy scent. It's just a light scent, and the colors are absolutely gorgeous, and I'll probably make a video on that as well. And then I got this Physicians Formula eyeshadow palette. I just love the colors and I love the shimmers to it. But I will tell you, I did return it without opening it first. I did do some reviews. I checked the reviews on it and they were not good. The sparkles got all over the place, got in the eyes, irritated the eyes. And this girl does not need any more irritation to her skin or anything like that. It's absolutely gorgeous, but you know what? I have something similar to it. So I did return it, but it was like $7.99 at Target. And then here, I'm trying to get this to show for you guys because I have a flash on my camera right now, but it is the e.l.f. Hydration Camouflage Concealer, and it works really well. I'm going to do a video of this being compared to another really good drugstore concealer for you guys. This was $6.99, or no, just $6. and I think it works pretty good, but I will do a comparison video for you guys. So if you guys are interested. They also have one that's a matte finish, but I have super dry skin already. The hydration one is what I need. So I got this, and I think it's like Fair Light or something like that. I have super, super, super light skin, so I got that one, and only $6. All right, and then I am always a sucker for a bundle of hair ties, and I love these colors so much. This was only $1.99. It's a scrunchie brand or scunchie brand, whatever, but they usually have them in bundles like this for $1.99 at Target in the hair area. My daughter and I use these like crazy, so it's always good to have some backup, and I absolutely love the colors in them. All right, and then I got this. I've never tried this brand before, but I've seen a lot of things about it at Target. It's like Sonia Kashuk. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but it is a brush. It is a beauty brush, and it's like a blending one. It's more packed, so it's more of a contouring brush, I'd say, or something that you would want like a definite color, defined color on you. I don't know, but I think it'd be really good for contouring and stuff. So that was $9, I believe. So yeah, you guys, this is my whole shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more to come, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.